Hello all, welcome to EC Electronics. So in this video, we are going to see a recruitment news from Deloitte. So there is a fresher recruitment from Deloitte. So if you are interested, please do watch this video till the end. Also, if you are seeing the channel for the first time, please do subscribe to the channel. Also follow us on our Instagram page. Okay, so Deloitte is recruiting for Associate Analyst Client Account Management. Okay, so your job is an analyst, associate analyst is a job, and you will be managing the accounts of, that is the data of clients. Okay, so that is the job nature. We are going to see all details regarding this job update. The location is Hyderabad is the location of job, but currently we know that because of this COVID situation, all this job will be work from home only. Okay, so let us see what is the responsibilities and all in this job first. Then we'll be seeing the application procedure also. Okay, so in this job, you will be actually handling the data of the clients. Okay, so Deloitte is having a lot of clients. You'll be handling the client data, managing the data, documenting all these things you will be doing. Okay. Now, the qualifications they are asking is 0 to 1 years of professional experience. So freshers are also eligible. And the qualification they have said is bachelor's degree only. So they have not mentioned whether you should be having B Tech or anything. But they have just mentioned bachelor's degree. Okay. Now, the skills they have asked for is only basic skills they have asked. The skills they are asking is Microsoft Office knowledge, then Excel, PowerPoint, and Word. Okay. So you'll be basically doing the data processing and all. And for this, you need all these tools. Okay. Also, basic knowledge in secondary search, ability to follow instruction and execute without error, demonstrated ability to pay attention to detail, then fast-paced team management work, good verbal and written communication skills, ability to work, and problem solving skills. Okay. Also, they have given the work timings 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. will be your work. Okay. Since it is 8 p.m., we know that mostly because of this situation, work from home jobs will be there. So you have to work till 8 p.m. Okay. And after this situation has settled down, you have to relocate to Hyderabad if you are getting selected. Okay. So these are the details regarding the qualification and also the work timings and the skills required. Now, in order to apply for this post, there is an icon here, apply now. Just click on it. So now it is actually getting redirected. So I have actually done various steps. So these are the various steps of application which I have actually completed. So you can see here there is written my name and you are signed in. So first you have to sign in. Now while signing in, what you have to do is you have to give your user number, that is username, not user number, it is a username, and also you have to give a particular password which is of your interest, and you have to give your mail ID, and by giving these three informations you have to log in or you have to create an account in Deloitte. Okay, then you have to actually start the application procedure. Now the various stages of application is, first one is resume upload. You have to upload your resume in this stage. I'll show you that stage. Okay, so this is the resume upload stage. You can upload the resume directly or you can go for LinkedIn or any other option. Okay, according to your choice, you can directly upload or you can go for LinkedIn. Okay, the next stage is personal information. So in the personal information, there will be various fields. I'm not showing the personal data now. Just know that the personal information is actually regarding your name, first name, last name, your mobile number, the location, your location, the state in which you are living. All those details you have to fill up in the personal information. Okay. Then next stage is resume CV. Okay. In this stage, you have to upload your resume. Okay. Here, so here you have to actually attach your resume, and also you have to copy and paste the details from your resume here. See, there is a section where you have to copy and paste the details from your resume. So just open your resume in the Word file and just copy the details and paste it here. Okay. And below they are also asking you to upload the same file. Okay. Next field is education and work experience. Okay. So here you have to give the details of your work experience. First, you have to actually give the details of work experience. Then you have to give the details of your highest qualification, that is educational qualification. Then your graduation details. That is, if you are having post graduation, first you have to give that detail, then your graduation details. Anyway, you have to be a graduate for applying for this post. So graduation is must. Now, while giving the work experience, they are asking you to fill the details of at least one work experience. So since this is a fresher job, that is they are asking 0 to 1 year of experience, you can give the work experience as fresher. The job title you can give as fresher, and when they're asking you to select the company name, you can give it as not in list. Okay, and also they are asking the date of your I'll show you that field. So this is the details of work experience which I have given. I have given the employer name as not in list. Okay, you can give it as not in list, and also job function you can leave, it is not mandatory. Then job title you have to give as fresher, and have randomly selected a start date, because if you don't give this, then the application form won't be complete, because this is a mandatory field. But since they have asked 0 to 1 year of experience, means if you are a fresher, you don't have a experience, right? But you have to, since I think this is a pre-designed form, so you have to give at least one experience. Okay, so here you have to give the job title. You can give it as fresher, and you can put the start date randomly. Okay, so after that you have to give the educational qualifications, the details of that same. For that you can give your educational qualification details, that is your college name, your graduation date, your area of, that is the area in which you have done your graduation. All these things you have to give. The last stage is review and submit. Okay, in which the details that you have entered will be shown to you, and you have to review it and you have to submit. That is the stages. These are the various stages of application process. Now, when uploading some videos, some people are actually facing problems in filling the application forms, opening the links and all. So that's why I thought of actually showing to you how the application is. That is application procedure. Okay. So I hope that you have understood. If you are facing some problems in the work experience, please do put it as whatever I've told you, that is not in the list, you can put, and also you can put it as freshers. Okay, job title you can give as freshers. Okay, so that's all about the details of application procedure. Now, talking about the selection process, here the experience they have given is 0 to 1 year. Okay, you can see it here. The details is 0 to 1 year of professional experience, means freshers can also apply. So since this is a fresher job, the selection process will be consisting of aptitude test, then group discussion, then technical interview and HR interview. Now aptitude test will be there for sure, because here they have asked for good problem solving skills and good aptitude skills. Okay, so there will be anyway aptitude test will be there. So once you apply, probably you will be getting a mail from their side if you are having the qualifications. If you are getting shortlisted, I'm talking, if you are getting shortlisted, you'll be getting a mail from Deloitte for the aptitude test. Then you have to give the test. If you are getting qualified in the test, then the various stages will be informed to you. Okay, so that is going to be the selection process. So the last day they have not given. Please to apply for it as soon as possible. I'm going to directly give this page link in description, so you can read out the notification detail. And if you think that you are eligible, please to apply apply for this job as soon as possible. Okay, so that's all about the job update from Deloitte. If you found the video useful, please do give it a thumbs up. Also share with your friends, and if you want more videos, please do subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.